Good morning, happy Tuesday. Ain't really filmed anything in a while. Haven't really had anything all that interesting. I'm on the old 50 GMC. I'm showing you I'm getting everything finished up on this truck, doing final stuff on it, getting stuff, I got it put together. Now I'm ironing everything out. I've had a heck of a time. This door skin on this driver's side door has fought me. I've had to put it together and take it apart probably 3 times, man, because every time this metal would move on me so bad, I just take it all apart, hammer it back out, and do it again. This time I did it in a way I don't really like doing it, which is say starting here, you'll spot, all the way down through there. You let that cool, and then you go and spot all the way down through there instead of doing little runs. But I was doing that the way I normally do it with my short runs, and then letting it cool down, and it was moving and looked like crap, and it was driving me nuts. So I just did it all tacks. Don't like doing it that way. The metal's harder when you do it that way. It should be fine. The way I did it, everything's pretty, it's got a good thickness to it, so this door should last a long time for whoever ends up with the truck. Not anything you'll ever have to worry about, but I am getting it ironed out. He wants to start it one more time before we take it apart to put the clutch in it. Not sure why. This motor runs great, but so that's kind of where we're at on that. We are moving forward though. I peeled the front end back apart so we can pull that out of there. We're gonna pull it out, redo the clutch, put a new clutch in it, clean the motor up, paint the frame, probably figure out exactly what he wants to do on the firewall. So that's where we're at. I'm still I think I showed you guys on that 46 Ford, I think it is, I don't know. I think I showed you the seat bracket. There it is. I got the ends, all the holes drilled. He did listen to me on the gas tank. He was going to put a tank in the back, not here. Put a bigger tank in the back. Get a 19-gallon back there. Plenty of room. He's not using that area for anything. It's a new frame. You just get tank and straps. Put you a new tank in. So you don't have to mess with the old dirty tank. Don't hold much for fuel. Or gas, I guess, for this motor, but so, and we got a log jam. I'm done with my part on that one. This one, I just need the tank, the bed, and I can get it finished and out of here. I'm not sure what he's doing with this thing. I really don't have anything to do with it, but I'm not sure what he's doing with that one either. It's got a lot of cars. We were messing with this one again yesterday. We got it, it's firing now. Old Dodge, original 6-cylinder flathead. It's having compression problems, or soak. We're letting it soak. I think it'll start. I think it'll start today, so we'll see. Pretty cool, very cool old truck, in pretty dang good condition. You seen, I don't know, I think you guys seen that old wagon. He's got this one and that wagon out there. We got that wagon running, so just playing around, man, getting them done, trying to keep this ball rolling. So anyway, I'll check back with you later.